My name's Alan Hart, and today we've got a new nail gun. It's a Hilti GX 90 WF. I'm going to show you how this works. I'm DIY with things like this. This is the first nail gun I've ever had, so if I tell you any of it wrong, I do apologise. I'll show you what I've been doing with it. I'm going to do some stud work with it today. So what we'll do is we'll put some nails in, I'll fire some nails in, and I'll show you how it works. Also, I'll show you how to put the nails in and out, and the gas, etc. Talk about battery life. Yeah, so let's go and have a look now. First of all, we'll look at the case. So we'll just pull the clips down. You get 2 batteries in this. It's got a little arrow with batteries. If it's empty, you do it one way. And if it's charged, you do it the other. Just a neat little thing. So we've got a charger, some PPE, ear protectors, and then we've got the nail gun. So we'll have a look at that now in a bit more detail. If you want to take the battery out, that's just got a clip there. And then to take the gas out, we've just got a clip on top here. And then we've just got his gas in there. And that just clips out like that. And then when you push that in, you just click it back into there. It's a bit harder than I'm doing next. And then you just click that back on into that. The nails, it's got a slider on here. Pull your nails. Got a little clip there just to get your nails out. So I've got Hilti nails with this. And then you need to pull that back, and that will hold your nails in place. So we'll have a look at the nails now. This is a first fix nail gun for like building stud work, etc. So the smallest nails are 51mm, I think this one is, and then they go all the way up to 90mm for big nails. And then there's a few different sizes as well in between. When you buy them from Hilti, they come in boxes of 3,000 like that. So we'll get on now. We'll have a little go with gun, and I'll show you putting some nails in. Just one thing to point out about the battery. This has been in here now for about a week, and I've been doing work in here, and I've not had to charge it yet. So the batteries on them seem to be really good. And then I'll just show you on front of there. If you have a look there, you can alter how far the nails go in. So if you've got smaller nails or bigger nails, you can adjust how far it's going to fire the nails in. So what we'll do is we'll just nail this in here. That says Hilti GX 90 WF. What do I think of it? It's saved me a lot of work this week. I really like it. There may be better ones on the market. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert at this type of product, but for me, it's been brilliant, and I really like it. I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.